In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn Cash App gift card to cash. This is going to be a quick tutorial, so stick around till the end. Okay, so why might you want to transform your received gift cards into cash on Cash App? The reasons can vary. Maybe you're not a fan of the specific gift cards and prefer the flexibility of cash. Whatever the case, the process is simple and conveniently managed within the Cash App. Let's get started. Open your Cash App and on the home screen, tap on the credit card icon located at the bottom left. Here, you'll find a list of the gift cards you've received. Choose the one that you want to convert. For this example, let's go with the Netflix gift card. Once selected, review the terms associated with the gift card. To proceed with converting it to cash, look for the option Convert Gift Card to Cash at the bottom and tap on it. A confirmation screen will appear, detailing the conversion, including the funded amount. If everything checks out, click the red Convert to Cash button. A pop-up confirms the successful conversion, indicating that your gift card has now been transformed into cash and added to your cash balance. You can now proceed to cash it out into your bank account. With this simple process, you've successfully turned your gift card into cash within Cash App. And that is how to turn Cash App gift card to cash. Like if you like, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.